Today I'm getting out the slow cooker. I got a great recipe for a round roast. This recipe was shared to me by my sister PJ from North Carolina. You're gonna love it. Let's get to it. I've got my 7-quart slow cooker here all ready to go, and I'm gonna start off with some Better Than Bouillon beef base. This will give it some great flavor. I'm going to add a tablespoon to a half a cup of hot water and then place that into the slow cooker. Add 1 chopped white onion and 1 package of onion soup mix, 1 small can of diced tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 can of beer. Now our next item, peperoncini peppers. They have a little bit of heat to them, but really, they add so much flavor to this dish. Try 1 or 2 if you've never tried them before. I just love the flavor in this dish, and so maybe I'll add, 5, maybe 6, maybe 7. 7 ought to do it for me. I'm telling you, don't forget this part of the recipe. It really adds delicious flavor. Now we'll add my 3-pound outside round roast. I find the round roast is perfect for this dish. It's not too fatty, but there's enough fat to add the flavor. Other cuts include inside round, outside round, eye of the round, and they're economical to buy as well. Season it with some pepper. We have plenty of salt in our beef base and our peperoncini peppers. Place the lid on and we'll put it on 30 minutes on high just to get it going, and then turn it down to low for 10 hours. And here it is after 10 hours. Oh my, the aroma in the house is just outstanding. Now we'll get rid of those strings that were on the roast. Just simply cut them off and pull them away. And now it's time to shred the beef. It's really simple. Just with a couple of forks, tear away at the roast. And it just separates very easy. It's very tender now. And even the peppers come out smaller. You can tear those apart with your fork and look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, can't wait to taste it. How about a nice generous portion on top of a toasted brioche bun? Or how about just in a bowl? Or maybe you'd like some shredded cheese on top. Oh my, there's so many options. Now check this out. Today is bonus recipe day. We're going to put together a nice omelette with this perfectly cooked, slow cooked beef. In a non-stick pan, add a little bit of butter, 2 well-beaten eggs, and here's our beef mixture. Lay it in on one side of our omelette. Now add some of your favorite cheese. I'm using Swiss cheese. Cover it up for about a minute. When you remove the lid, fold it over to make that gorgeous omelette. And then add a little splash of water, and then we'll cover it again. Just until that water dissipates. Lift the lid, and there it is. You have yourself a gorgeous omelette. We'll just slide that out onto a plate, and then let's take a look inside.
Well, the sun rises every day to remind us all that we can rise in our ways, and the sun shines down for everyone.
Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. Meaty, gooey, cheesy, just full of deliciousness. I think I'll try the omelette. Oh, outstanding. A fluffy omelet with that beautiful beef, a little Swiss cheese. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya!
Just like the sun